Amit is saying the CTF content is a gold mine and it gets overwhelming to go through all of it. I have gone through ATA market profile only as of now, and now only watching your older videos, daily analysis. And it works like magic. Also looking at your short videos on YouTube, lots of insights. Now what is happening is now you have complete access to the course. Plan your study hours. Do it at your own pace. Don't try to rush it. But do the complete course. That's what I believe. Don't feel that you have to do it in 1 week, 2 weeks, or in a short period of time. No, don't do it. Set aside 1 or 2 hours, maybe in a week. So let's say what you do is on a Sunday you sit down, watch 1 hour 90 minutes of the content, take out some notes and observe those notes throughout the week till next Sunday. Then next Sunday do next 90 minutes, again take out notes for half an hour, and then observe that again for the next week. 5 trading sessions you will get. Observe those principles. Whatever you have learned earlier, you will also start seeing that. And I am telling you, if you believe that I have to remember this, I have to remember that, my God, now what is happening? Is it a tail? What Dean said about tails? Okay, is it a different kind of an anomalous structure? What Dean said about? Don't worry about it. You just keep doing it. Keep observing on the chart. Don't even try to understand what the market is trying to do. Just observe things, right? So when I'm talking about, let's say, poor structure, and you come to this chart. So I talked about poor structure, forcing action. Now you come to this chart and you try to find out where the forcing action is. Start at the first profile. Is this a forcing action? No. Smooth curve. Is this a forcing action? Not really, but why is this profile not smooth? Okay, there is one question. Then you again see this. Okay, I see a nice gradient or one TPO at the end, but here it looks a little bit incomplete. It's not a big incompletion, but little bit incomplete. Okay, fine. Then I look at this. Okay, nice gradient here, but incomplete to the downside. And then I look at this day, and it does not match any of the previous profiles or these smooth profiles. This is clear forcing action. Market made directional progress, but it was not smooth. Some struggle happened here, then suddenly we broke out, again struggle happened, and then we go on next day into a rejection zone, and some rejection happens, again you see incompletion. So this incompletion, we gapped down and we repaired that. This incompletion today we have repaired, and we are trying to make this as smooth as possible. Make sense? Understand the purpose of the market, and that is to facilitate business at every level. So when this was left incomplete, some business was left unfinished, and actually it was below this low. So next day we go lower, finish it, it is done. Then what happens? We get some forcing action and market moves away from it because business here is finished, and we leave behind poor structure, and now we are developing here. Now if we break out, market will keep this poor structure open can keep it for a long time. So just because poor structure is here, don't think that market is going to go down. But let's say after finishing business here, instead of going higher, we come and we start challenging this HVN, and we actually start finding acceptance below it. Then what do you know? This is going to be repaired. This is going to be cleared. And then we will go towards this HV. That is how you look at it. Don't anticipate market coming back into this. So here also, when we talked about these 3 days, I said, okay, we have nice clean HVNs, but separated by lots of low usage area. So I am not anticipating market going back and filling in this, but I know it is the purpose of the market. So if market goes into this, I'm not saying that, okay, market is just trending or it is going to go to the moon. No, it cannot. It has to spend time here. So it spent time here, finished the business, then went lower, finished the business here, and then it went back up. Again, it's in the same zone, and probably it will spend some time here and then challenge this HVN. So now we have a very clear framing of the market, so to speak, how we have this HVN, 44,900 odd levels, and now we have this HVN, and that is 44,550. So 550 and 900 is the zone in which we are now trapped, and we are trying to finish business there. Once it is done, there is also this low usage area there, so we'll finish business there, and then we will move out of that range. If we move to the upside, then we are scaling much higher. If we move to the downside, we'll repair this poor structure, we'll challenge this, then we'll see how market reacts when it challenges this. So that is how you will look at the markets.